Yeah, so hello guys. Today I'm going to record some video on daily lead code problem, and today is 13th of November and I'm trying to record for this video. Let's see how it goes. This is my first try. So yeah, the question over here is like sort vowels in a string. So let's understand the question first. So what it is saying is like given a zero-based string yes, permute yes to get a new string t such that all consonant remain in their original place. Okay, so basically what they are trying to say is like we are given a string yes. So let me show you here. So suppose we are given a string yes here, which is something like suppose L E and then capital E, anything can be there. Okay, E T, right, and then C small o and D E, something like this. So this is our string which is given, and what they're asking us is to basically sort this string. So if you see over here we want to sort this string. So given, if you see the example, it's like input string is lead code and output is lead code itself, but what we are doing is like whatever the place value where we have a vowel, we have to just replace those vowels and sort those. So for example, see, all the consonant would be at same place. So let me give you a simpler example. So suppose we have a string such as okay. So suppose we have something like H E A B T O C, something like that. So the output will be H and C. Uh, the vowels will be so this is my empty place because there is a vowel, right? Again there is empty place and then B will be there and then T will be there, vowel is there and C will be there, right? So now in the place of all those vowels, so what are our vowels? So vowels will be E, A and O. So when we sort these vowels, it will be something like A, E and O, right? So what we have to give our output as H and then A, E and BT will be there itself, and then in this place we have O and C. So this is our output basically. This is our output. So something like this we have to do. So let's come to our main problem and we'll just see some simple logic what we can do. So, similarly, if you can see something like this, there is no vowel, right? So it will be like same only. So suppose this is our case. So what we can do over here is like we will iterate through entire thing. We'll iterate through the entire string, and whenever we'll find any vowel, we will just store it in a vector or say container. So suppose this is my container where I'll just store this small e, right? And then again I'll encounter vowel, I'll store this as well, and then T, C, I will don't do anything, D, and then E. So these four vowel are there in this, right? So we will store this in a vector and then we will sort this. So after sorting this, what we are going to get is like capital E first, and then the small e, and then again a small e, and then small o, right? So this is what we are going to get after sorting this. So we'll store all the vowels and then we'll sort it, and then again we'll iterate through it, and wherever in the place value, whenever we have any vowel, we'll just replace with the first character of our sorted list. So what we'll do is like we'll iterate through this string and we'll print size L, right? And then if we encounter any vowel, we'll pick a vowel from our sorted list and we'll replace in that position. Again we have encountered vowel, we will replace in that position. Now it is a consonant, we'll just print it like that only. Consonant, we'll print it like that only. Vowel, we will take this one. See, because we have already taken the first two, now we'll take the third one, right? And then we'll do D, and then again we have encountered vowel, so we'll keep O, right? And we'll be ending. So we will return this string. So let me show you the code now. Yeah. So here it is. What we have done is like this is the given thing. So we will basically initialize a vector, let's say a vowel of, like vector of characters, which name is vowel. Now we will iterate through our entire string, and for each character in the string, we will check if the character is a vowel. If that character is a vowel, we will push that character in our vector, this vector, right? We have pushed it in this vector. So we'll iterate it once, and we'll push in our vector, and then we'll sort this vector, right? So after sorting, we'll get something, the sorting which I had shown you previously, right? And then we will this j is basically indicating position of our sorted list, position of character in sorted vector, right? So initially we are in 0 position. Then now what we'll do is like we'll iterate through this entire string, and for each character we'll like say store it in the character c, just for our easy, so that we do not need to type s of I every time, right? And just we'll copy paste this from the above, and over here we will just again check if that character is a vowel, right? If it is a vowel, we will replace it with the first character of our sorted list, sorted vector, and then it will all like it will replace each and everything in this s string, and we'll just return this string. So let's run submit this and see how it is happening. And okay, okay, sorry, so here it will be double, so we'll comment it, right? Then submission will be done, and let's see. And yeah, it accepts, right? So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for your time.